Yeah, I can see you're a little offended.
No,
It's
no.
all gonna be okay. That's all right.
not
I've hit a nerd.
No, no.
Yeah, yeah,
No, no.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, ma. How do we sound like Megan? Like
Okay,
a
are we gonna start talking in different language or? Oh my fucking
Cover me. I'm using a speed.
What?
I can't believe you sounded like Thingo from Nigel Thornberry, like the
What?
Thornberries.
I don't even know what
You
that
sounded
is.
like that. Oh my god. Chat, does anyone here know my reference to that old cartoon? She sounded like that little kid from the Thornberry.